12 Summer Home Decor Ideas. Floral decor never goes out of style. If you've been considering incorporating this classic look into your home, summer is the perfect time to make the leap. From wallpaper to shower curtains to the throw pillows seen in this colorful room from Blue Bell Gray, it's easy to add a pop of nature to any room in your house. Bonus, you won't have to worry about watering these flowers. Metal finishes instantly add a touch of glamour to any room. This bedroom from Forrest Glover Design incorporates a copper industrial pendant lamp and a chic and airy side table to give the room effortless elegance. Candle holders, coffee tables, and kitchen accessories are all other easy ways to get this look right. Touches here and there keep the look light enough for summertime. Nothing says summertime than hanging a string of sparkling white lights indoors or outdoors. Wherever you put them, it signals the start of a cozy summer gathering. White lights come in all sizes, such as the globe lights shown here. Use tiny fairy lights outdoors in even more ways. Fill mason jars with battery-operated versions, hang them in tree branches, or wrap them around candles. While heavier velvet or suede is a better upholstery or bedding choice for the cooler months, linen and cotton are summer-friendly ways to make your rooms feel airy and cool. Along with the pair of oars on the wall, the burlap-wrapped headboard and linen bedding gives this bedroom by designer Betty Lou Phillips its beach house vibe. Hygge is all about effortlessly cozy Scandinavian design. Sleek lines and clutter-free rooms make this look a great choice for bathrooms and kitchens. Use this season as an excuse to declutter by becoming inspired by this simplistic Hygge-style bathroom by Foam and Bubbles. This fresh and breezy room combines pretty and dainty details in peach, white, and aqua together with a few black and white animal prints. A little zebra print goes a long way on the vase, the tiger print creates a powerful print on the wall, and the cowhide accent rug draws all the patterns, colors, and components together. Create your own small living wall indoors by training a vine to grow on a wall sculpture like the one on this living room found on Decor. Cascading plants in hanging baskets can also be trained to hang onto metal rungs on a wall sculpture. Terracotta is literally baked earth. From flooring, like the one in this kitchen, to roofs and accessories, terracotta evokes images of summer vacation spots at home and abroad, and it's a perfect way to extend the outdoors indoors. If flooring is a bit too permanent, bring in terracotta planters into your kitchen for a fresh garden vibe. Mixing prints and patterns is a fun way to lighten up and freshen up a room during summer months. The fun pops of reds, blues, and oranges in this living room lift the space up. White walls and flooring, plus neutral upholstery provide a perfect canvas for color. If you can't plan a getaway from home, plan a getaway at home. Enjoy a Moroccan-inspired look inside the comfort of your home by incorporating bits of decor such as puffs, lanterns, and patterned throw pillows. Butterflies aren't just for kids' decor. Bring these magical creatures indoors in a sophisticated way by hanging a large butterfly print to add a bit of nature to your space. As an extra benefit, the symbol of a butterfly in your home is an auspicious symbol in feng shui. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.